So after Lord Canning, Lord Elgin I came, and his rule was very short period, for a very short period, 1862 to 63. But in during his tenure, the important movement, that is Wahhabi movement, was started in Patna, and it was a Muslim movement, and it started in Patna. And after him, the Lord John Lawrence came, whose rule was from 1864 to 1869. So during this period, in 1866, East India Association in London was started by Dadabhai Naoroji, along with the Indians and retired officers. So East India Association was established by Dadabhai Naoroji, and it was a platform to discuss India and provide representation for Indians in the government, right? So basically this platform was to ask for Indian representation in the government. Now, the next thing which took place in 1866 was Deoband movement. Deoband movement is also called Darul Urul movement of Muslims, and it was in UP. And it was a revivalist movement by the Orthodox Muslims like Muhammad Qasim Nanotavi and Rashid Ahmad Gangohi, and they supported for the formation of Indian National Congress. The next event that took place in 1866 is that Brahmo Samaj were divided into two parts, that is Kesav Chandra Sen's Sadharan Brahmo Samaj and Devendranath Tagore Adi Brahmo Samaj. And the reason for this division was that because Kesav Chandra Sen uh, wanted to spread the Samaj out of Bengal as well, but the Adi Brahmo Samaj people like Devendranath Tagore, they was not in a view of spreading these ideas of Brahmo Samaj outside Bengal. So this was a major event which caused the split of Brahmo Samaj. Now in 1867, what happens is Prarthana Samaj was established by Atmaram Panduranga, and it established in Bombay, and it aimed to make people believe in one God and worship one God. So this Prarthana Samaj, for the sake of believing people in one God and to worship one God. Now in 1867, Pune Sarvajanik Sabha by M.G. Ranade was also established, and the purpose was to form a bridge between government and people. So Pune Sarvajanik Sabha by M.G. Ranade to fill the gap or to form a bridge between the government and people. In 1869, the Mahatma Gandhi was born, and the Suez Canal, which was also constructed, and Suez Canal, which is a very important canal, and which is which links the Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. So this also made during the 1869, and the same year Gandhiji was also born. And the next is Lord Mayo. So Lord Mayo period started from 1869 to 1872, and in 1870 M.G. Ranade joined Prarthana Samaj. M.D. Ranade, the same person who started the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, he joined the Prarthana Samaj. In 1871, a statistical survey of India was also established. So a statistical survey of India was established in 1871, and India's first census was done on the order of Lord Mayo. So Lord Mayo becomes important. Why? Because during his tenure that India's first census was conducted. Okay, so this was a period till 1872.